All right. So we're gonna do some weekly analysis on the stock market, and then I'll throw some crypto in. My chart looks a lot more different, doesn't it, compared to last week? It's because I learned a lot of shit this week. Learned a lot. No, I am not your financial advisor. Do not follow what I do. If you want to learn the stock market, if you want to learn crypto, I recommend joining the real world. It has taught me a lot of things. A lot. One day I hope to have my own type of courses out there, but right now I'm still in the process of learning. This for me is basically my journal to see the progress that I've made throughout my trading years. Anyways, let's get into it. So, like I said, you can see my chart's a lot more different compared to last week. It's just because I learned a lot of shit, and now I can actually see a lot more potential bearish and bullish moves in the market. So, right now on the daily time frame for S&P 500, we are looking extremely bearish. We are below the 9, the 21, and 50 standard moving average. That indicates extreme bearish momentum happening right now in the S&P 500. The volatility for S&P 500 is bullish. Now, when this is bullish, when this is going up, everything else is going down. That's no bueno. That is no bueno for the market. And right now, we are still above the 9 standard moving average short term, which indicates that there might still be some moves going up, which indicates that there is still going to be moves going down in the market. So this week is going to be a rough one. I can already see it. News-wise is not looking too good either. We have a lot of events happening this week. So I think the market is still going to be in a bearish state. Now, what I'm looking for is some zone-to-zone trading. Right now in the S&P 500, there's no zones to trade. Like right here, this is a zone. You can see there's some consolidation in this box. And then this one candle indicates that we are having a breakout happening. And what gives me another indication there is when it's above the 9 standard moving average, that means we are having some short-term bullish momentum. So I would definitely be entering off that trade back then. I can't enter off it now because it already happened. But right now there is no zone-to-zone trading. Everything is just going down. We do have some green dots happening on the Squeeze Pro, which I do not know why. Usually the green dots indicate that there is some bullish momentum, but right here it is looking bearish to me, so I don't know why that's happening. These dots should be red. That's kind of throwing me off a little bit. For the most part, this thing's pretty accurate. It will show red, it means we're going down. Black is a consolidation period, and then green means we are going up. So the S&P 500 is not looking too good right now. QQQ on the daily time frame, we are looking bearish. It is below every standard moving average. NVIDIA, we are looking bearish as well, below all standard moving averages. So this week, honestly, is going to be kind of hard for day traders. It's going to be hard to find some good scalps out there for swing traders like me. This is awesome because I can just wait out. I can see what's going to go on with the market. I can wait for my zone-to-zone trades to appear before I see a short-term breakout. But right now, there's nothing for me to make money off of. Everything is just going down right now. So crypto, let's look at crypto. So Bitcoin just had its halving. It's pretty much a meme. Nothing really happens when the halving does happen. I mean, there's stuff that does happen when the halving happens, but it doesn't happen until months later. It doesn't happen that day. People hype up the halving like price is going to shoot up like 50%. It's not. It takes a couple months before price will shoot up. Now, I was watching this video, and this guy was basically going in that global liquidity right now is in a consolidation period with all the economic events that are happening right now in the United States as well as all over the world, the geopolitical events that are happening with Iran and Israel and other countries, all that bullshit, which I don't care about. I should care a little bit because it affects my money in crypto. But anyways, he basically was saying that September 2024 is when we're going to see some large liquidity coming in to the economy. And that is when everything is going to be skyrocketing. And that's going to continue into June 2025. That's going to be the peak of the Goldilocks phase for every economy. And then we are looking to go down in December 2025. So that's the information that I got from this video that I watched. I need to look back and see what he was talking about. So, credit to him. But I don't know if that's going to be completely true or not. But I mean, his past analysis seems pretty accurate, so I'm going to go off that. Anyways, right now on the daily time frame on Bitcoin, we are looking bearish. We are below all standard moving averages. The weekly, though, I'm telling you, people don't believe crypto has much more to go. The 50 standard moving average is still indicating long-term bullish momentum. Look at that. Price is still above the 50 standard moving average. And if you look historically at price back in 2021 with the last bull run, look, price rode this all the way up, came back down a little bit, had a little retrace down to get rid of all the normies, and then one last time before hitting its all-time high and then coming back down. Price is still above it. That means we still have a long way to go, but also short term we are going to be down a little bit. Now, I don't really know if crypto runs off of fair value gaps, but I've seen some fair value gaps get filled. Like right here, there's a fair value gap that got filled, but we still have, on the daily time frame, we still have 3 fair value gaps to get filled. This one kind of got filled, but this one down here still has not got filled. This one still down here has not got filled. And right now, on the daily time frame, we are below every standard moving average. So, I mean, on the short term, actually, on the 9MA is indicating some short-term bullish momentum. So I think what's going to happen is, let's see, price is going to go like this. Just go down, collect more liquidity that lays down here, and then I'd say by like June, we start slowly going up, have a consolidation period, and then into September, we just skyrocket into that late 2024, 2025 crypto bull run. So I'm very excited for that. I'm going to have a lot of money being made this bull run. I have a lot of money invested in crypto right now. I am in crypto for the long term because I believe in it, and it's going to help me get out of this shitty economy. It's going to help me get to where I want to be at financially. So I'm very excited, but I am not your financial advisor. So do not take my advice. These are all my opinions. You need to form your own bias. You need to make your own financial decisions. But anyways, guys, that's basically what I have for today. I appreciate you watching the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys all later.